Okay, what I'm going to be doing in this video is demonstrating what the machine problem 3 for the card for fish button. This is the one where we're given that file, have all the cards, and we had to set it up so that it would display it and we could refresh it and it would randomize it. So I have it, set up as my location where it downloaded. It will extract that, it will take that file, and it has those images, so when it refreshes it, that will randomize it. So let's go ahead and run this. And as you can see, it has 4 cards lined up, and if we refresh it, it just goes through all of them at a random or in a random order. Okay, the next one we had to do was the hockey stats. As this, I have my Java FX and stuff, and then there were 7 teams or places I had for Toronto, Boston, LA, Detroit, Nashville, Winnipeg, Tampa, and then this is the label for how it's gonna look on the bars for it's like a graph. So this is how it's counting all of them, and then it's showing how big the bars are going to be when it prints out. And we have the set scene, but we have it set up so if we can adjust how big the picture really is of the graph. Let's go ahead and run it. And as you can see, we have this and those, the 286, 257, all those numbers. That's what the right here. And we can adjust it, and it will go bigger and smaller when we just